Hello, friends. Welcome back to more trading signals for crypto. Today is the 4th of, what is it? March. So, yeah, 4th of March. We see that I really did not expect this incredibly powerful pump late night. Usually, movements like that, if it's going to reverse, or rather, if it's going to pump, accelerate in the uptrend direction, that usually happens in the early morning of the following day. In this case, it actually, at least on my time zone, it happened on the basically last night on the very late hours. And you can see the indicator clearly anticipated all of this. Now, I did a short around these levels, around 87. That is because this was the first level of my indicator for a potential reversal. And it was actually a reversal, as you can see. What happened there was, sorry for that. What happened there was kind of unexpected, totally unexpected, rather, because, like I said, usually movements like that, if they're
Yeah,
going to
boy.
retrace all of this, that happens
Yeah,
until
boy.
after the on the next morning. So yeah, it was very unexpected for me. So from there, I had two options: either take the loss, accept the loss with a stop loss, or just ride with it and basically uh, keeping the short signal. I mean, keeping the short position, because in the end, it is extremely unlikely that in this case Solana can even go above 100. Okay, it's never going to go to 100 again, at least not in this year, I believe. Certainly not this year.
Yeah, boy.
So as you can see, the indicator was printing two more levels after this one, which, like I told you, I didn't really. It was a failed trade right there. It was a failed trade. One of the, so far in the month, the only and the first failed trade that I had so far in the month. But yeah, there were two more levels, and as you can see, we reach kind of the next one, and this is where I can see the price had a clear rejection of higher prices. So ended up going a little bit higher than this, around this area, 94. The next potential level was around 96. But yeah, 94 did the trick, and from there we started to go down, as you can see right now. So from this position, these are the next levels that I'm going to highlight. Okay, I'm only really interested on these levels. 88, which could be the uh, was a previous
Yeah,
resistance and
boy.
could be a support, as you can see right there. It will also function as a support in previous days. Um, the other one after that is 84, 83 maybe. This is a clear support. In fact, this support launched this extreme pump, and even lower around 79, 78 almost. And this was also a key support from previous weeks. So yeah, these are my levels that I'm currently targeting for the short that I'm currently in. So yeah, like I told you, I didn't really stop the trade with the stop loss. Rather, just continue and add it to my shorts in order to avoid liquidation. Let's see how it goes. I have great faith on that trade. It's going to go well. In fact, right now, as the price keeps dumping, it's very near the entry price of the short. So yeah, it's not going to be a really risky move in my opinion. But yeah, let's see how it goes. I really have extreme confidence in this trade. But yeah, this is the case for Solana. We're going to see that other coins really had also a very good position. I mean, let's see, and let's bring with the 10-hour time frame to see how it goes with
Yeah,
Ethereum.
boy.
So yeah, look at this. Ethereum also achieved a higher position. Okay, almost 2200. So yeah, it was a very very good pump again all across the market. Every single coin benefited from this day. If we go to Bitcoin, we're going to see Bitcoin reach 74. Yeah, 74. So yeah, it was a good day for all coins, but yeah, like I told you, this cannot go higher than
Yeah,
this.
boy.
I really don't see it because we are in the bear market, okay? And With
Yeah,
this
boy.
position I showed you in my previous fractal, I mean, this doesn't really go any higher in order to nullify or basically annul the entire bearish structure. Okay, it's not going to happen, guys. At least in my opinion. I mean, if it ends up happening, well, I'll up to my mistake, but I really don't think it's going to happen. And besides, my predictions tell me volatile days are coming. I actually expected this pump for tomorrow, either tomorrow or the 6th of February, because I had those 2 days extremely volatile. I really didn't have any clear direction, but they could go either way. In any case, we also have potential powerful corrections around the 7th to the 9th of March. So yeah, I believe it's going to go downhill
Yeah,
from there,
boy.
and we'll see how it goes. The geopolitical tensions could spike up even more the volatility. So far, it's been surprising to me because it's not really behaving as if it was an extreme chaos event. It could get dangerous for the Middle East, but I don't think it's going to really explode and engulf
Yeah,
the entire
boy.
world, or at least that's what I don't want that to happen. But in any case, like I said, it's been surprising to me to see Bitcoin going up since that event started. Okay, very good days for Bitcoin and other cryptos in general. Not so much in previous months and even years. I mean, remember when other times we
Yeah,
saw
boy.
the traditional markets pump and Bitcoin only keep going down and down and down even lower. So right now it's kind of the opposite, but I don't think it's going to last very much. But because in the end, all finances, even crypto, are tied to each other, and if it ends up being a very cataclysmic event, some very bad scenario where the markets are going to nuke, then Bitcoin is also going down. There's no question about it. So yeah, let's just finish the video with the 10-hour time frame. As you can see, Bitcoin is
Yeah,
still on
boy.
green. There have been moments where it has kind of weakened, but in the end, the price ends up recovering, which is actually what surprised me again because last night I shared in my Twitter post, and well, not Bitcoin, but Solana and Ethereum were red on the 10-hour time frame. Uh, so in a single hour, everything changed, and that's crazy because you always have to take that into account when trading. One single hour, even a single bar of 10 minutes can change everything. It usually doesn't happen, especially very often. It's very rare to actually see that, but yeah, it can happen. Yeah, it really can. So people need to trade expecting the unexpected also. Okay. So yeah, look at this Bitcoin on green. Let's take a look at Solana. Solana still green as well. Solana was red some candles ago, somewhere around this level. Ethereum also green, I believe. Let's see if we find another coin that is on red or at least showing extreme imminent signals
Yeah,
of
boy.
turning red. So far, everything's good for many coins. Well, Dogecoin is kind of getting weaker, and Dogecoin is of a meme coin, so maybe it doesn't really translate the analysis to other more formal coins. The USDT dominance still red, so far I have not been able to find a coin that is red or very close to red. All of them are getting weaker though, so it could be a sign. But yeah, so far not a single coin is red on the 10-hour time frame. So that possibly means it's going to stay in
Yeah,
this area
boy.
for a little bit
Yeah,
more
boy.
time, maybe a couple more days until we reach around the 7 to the 9 of March, where we can see and expect more powerful corrections. But I really don't see it going any higher. Okay, if the price ends up going higher, it's not going to be by much. Okay, at least in the case of Solana, you can see that my indicator clearly says 96 could be the next level if it goes higher. But if we actually drop to these levels, which is very likely because the indicator never fails, then we can expect the price to bounce from here and find a lower high, maybe around 92, and then back down. Or at least that could happen. Yeah, it's one of the scenarios that I have. Anyways, my friends, that's all I have for you. Okay, so have a good day. Take care. Follow me on Twitter, on other social medias if you want. I'll see you guys next time with more trading signals.